Hello. So this is module 5. It's a control charts. In module 5 assignment, there are 4 questions and I'm asking you to interpret basically. These are the data points and you need to interpret based on 4 rules which are given here. Rule 1 is single point outside 3 sigma, 2 or 3 successive point outside 2 sigma, same side of central line. So basically these are the 4 rules that you need to assess in your problems. Now I'm going to show you how do we do this control charts very easily in Minitab. Minitab gives you very easy option under assistant. Here under assistant you can go and choose the control chart. So here under statistics you have quality control charts option, and here you also get all the control charts. So let me, X bar means mean, R means range. So X bar and range chart, X bar and standard deviation, IMR chart, R chart, S chart. So these are, individual moving range, and these are the charts X bar, R, S. So these are the charts we have with chapter under control charts. Let me go through assistant control charts. Here we have this. So now you need to choose the option. Suppose you have only one observation. So data collected in subgroup, no. Then you go for individual and moving chart. Let me go this. So let me select the data. Let's say I'm just choosing this. How will you determine the control limits and center line? If you have the known values, you can put the known values under this. If you don't have, estimate from the data. So let me do it directly from the data. So here you can see this is individual value and this is moving range. Are you getting me? This is individual value and moving range here. And the best thing in this option, that it gives you the comment. The process mean is stable. No data points are out of control on the eye chart, individual chart. Similarly on moving chart also. So basically all the information here, amount of data, you can see the stability is there, normality is there. Amount of data is not sufficient. It needs at least 100 data points in order to, corrected data. So you can get all the commands. So basically this process in control. Here you can see this is mean of the control, mean of the individual values. This is upper control limit. This is lower control limit. So anything in between is in control. How do we calculate UCL and LCL, which is given in the book and slides? Here we get automatically output from Minitab, so we don't need to calculate, just we need to run and we need to interpret. That is what is our task. Okay, so this is for individual. Now let me go to get assistant and control charts. Data collected, yes, we have. Now if yes, okay, if subgroup size is less than 8, we go for X bar and R chart. If subgroup size is greater than 8, we go for X bar S chart. It is clearly given. So basically we have, I'm just going to do with less than 8 groups. So let me show. So I'm just going to check only 2 groups. Okay. How estimate from the data? I always prefer to estimate from the data. The process mean is stable. No subgroups are out of control on the X bar chart. Here you can see everything. This is mean, upper control limit, lower control limit. Similarly, here, this is, you can see at the bottom, amount of data is not there, stability and alternative charts. So basically, you can perform these analysis very easily. You can do in 5 minutes. Now look into this. So basically, you can get rule one, single point outside 3 sigma, rule two. So automatically you get the output about rule 1, 2, 3, 4 in Minitab. Look, just a minute. So I'm just going to show here. Let me go assistant control chart. Let's say I'm just going to check more. How will you estimate from the data? Look into this. This point is coming out of the limit, which is point number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Look into this here at the bottom. X bar, test 1, outside control limit 6. So basically, it gives you the test 1, test 2, all the things you can see. Here, the mean is not, the process mean is out of control. It, management need to take action in process in order to fix this. Range is in control. So basically here, using this control chart, you get alertness. Okay, it is the time to fix main machine or whatever way to bring the process mean under control. And the comment is right here, you can read it. Now second thing is, in quality control, cause and effect. If suppose this is not in control, what could be the reason? It could be man, it could be machine, it could be policy, it could be different things, technology, many other variables are there. For that purpose, you can draw a cause and effect diagram. It is also known as, here under stat, you can see quality tools. Under quality tools, you have Pareto chart, you have cause and effect. This is also known as Fishbone diagram. This is also known as Ishikawa diagram. I'm just going to check this. I'm just going to, so I just put some, under man, low education, low skills, HR related issues, under machine, old machine, maintenance issue, upgradation issue, policies related, management, commitment, no changes. These are some, randomly I put some in order to demonstrate that really you can do using Minitab. So let me see, under here, I'm just going to put man. Under this, I'm going to put machine. Under this, I'm going to put policy. And what is the effect, alternative effect? Out of control or poor performance, or, and title, I can say, process control issues. Okay. Now I draw this. Here you can see, you can make poor performances due to personal, due to machine, due to material. I mean, I think I've selected this option wrongly. So basically, you can draw cause and effect diagram right here in the Minitab. So this is very simple and you can do very easily. You can learn very easily. There are other quality tools which are like, one thing is, Pareto chart, which gives you check sheet, Pareto chart, box plot. Let me see, where is a, okay, here under this quality tools, here you have Pareto chart. So you can plot the Pareto chart, but you have to have data related to that. So there are many quality tools which are important for quality control, including control chart, including fishbone diagram, including box chart, scatter plot, box plot, fishbone diagram, check sheet. And there are analytical, which is control methods, control charts, lot and batch inspection, acceptance sampling. So basically, these are the things that you need to understand related to quality process, which is clearly given in the slides. So if you go through the slides and book reading, you will get all those, and you have already done, and those are basic things. Thank you.